When we listen or read any news item in the world, it may be about people, place or event. Place, people, resources, events and environment are the major attributes studied in the subject of geography. Geography is the study of location connected with all sorts of issues that affect resources, climate, people and the environment. Studying geography involves more than memorizing the names of countries, states and their capitals or locations. Geography is a unique way of looking at the world and solving several problems in nature. Understanding geography can help people, government and business to make better decisions. Geographers study the earth, the distribution of all the natural or man-made resources, geographically distinct features and the distribution of all life in the environment. They also examine the phenomena such as political or cultural structures which are related to geography. Geographers study the physical or human geographic characteristics or both. The study of physical and human geography of a region may be ranging from a small village to a taluk, a district, a state, a country or whole world. Before joining a degree course, every student in any part of the world may be interested to know the career prospects of all the subjects. Geography students are no exception. Geography is one subject which made the scholars of the world to explore, experiment and use various natural resources, analyze the climatic parameters and navigate everywhere. There are about 25 branches in geography. Almost all the subjects have suitable career prospects. It is also necessary for a student of geography to know about them. The objectives of studying this lesson are to understand the following. First one, physical and environmental geography related careers. Second, human and economic geography related careers. Third, regional geography and regional planning related careers. Fourth, cartography, GPS and GIS technology related careers. Fifth, geography is a teaching profession. Any job related to geography is concerned with spatial data or information pertaining to a location or a region. For any common person, the first kind of jobs coming to the mind may be related to making maps and charts. The occupational requirements in geography may range from planning the locations of various features, socio-economic institutions, markets, to analyzing the political stability of a region based on geospatially dynamic statistics. Geographers basically study three important branches like physical geography, climatology and oceanography is their major subjects. Physical geographers examine the physical features of the world in general and a region in particular. They study the features of the natural environment such as landforms, geomorphic processes, soils, vegetation, water and animals. Physical geographers concentrate in analyzing the natural processes, natural resources, changes in land cover, changes on climatic conditions, causes of problems like soil erosion, water loss, coastal erosion and visualize their impacts. Careers in earth and atmospheric sciences are plenty. Weather forecaster is a good option available. Weather forecasting begins with a good understanding of climate, wind systems and ocean currents. Especially in the subject of climatology, The role of geographers in weather forecast is a basic necessity. Geographers study, predict and report on everything from daily weather conditions to such dangerous phenomena as cyclones, thunderstorms, tornadoes and wind shear, which are of importance to many people including the pilots of aircrafts. Geographers with good communication and reporting skills may opt to work in television and radio channels also. Geographers are also work for the government and for the large agribusiness corporations. Geographers work as naturalists and guides. Many physical geographers work as outdoor guides. Their education makes them ideally suited for this work. Since they study all aspects of physical environment, it will be more advantageous when geography is studied in association with courses like biology, zoology and environmental management. The coastal zone where land and sea meets is critical for both humans and wildlife. It is the zone of earth-sea dynamics. Since geographers study the dynamics of this zone very clearly, geographers are suitable to work as coastal zone managers. Environmentally sensitive areas like mangroves, marshlands, bays and river mouths have not only adjusted to the dynamic changes of air-sea interfaces but also face the onslaughts of human creation in cities, ports, industries, roads and pollution by thousands of pleasure-seeking tourists. Geographers can work to plan and manage the coastal zone very well. Geographers are also capable of working in the field of oceanography, marine product, import and export, navigation, ocean traffic management and cyclone testing across the coasts. Soil surveys, soil conservation and agricultural extension are the other options available for geographers. Agricultural geography is an important subject studied by geographers. Geographers invariably study the water resources of a country and their distribution and conservation. They know the methods of preparing plans for the wise long-term use of water resources and action plans for analyzing the demands of population and supply statistics. In addition to these, geographers are also analyzing the problems of drought and waterlogging. They also study the problems with reference to groundwater contamination and flooding. Today, all these attempted by the geographers using GIS and remote sensing tools and techniques. Geographers are suitable to work as environmental managers. Environmental managers carry out two jobs. They need to protect and conserve the natural resources. Geographers involved in the management of water, air quality, soil, land reclamation, coastal belts, floodplains and river basins and solid hazardous and toxic waste disposal and management. Forestry is another field for geographers. Geographers can also opt to work in forest departments for surveying, mapping and for conservation of wildlife, forest fire protection, forest management and biodiversity analysis. Human geographers are also known as cultural geographers. They tend to analyze the organization of human activity and its relationships with the physical environment. Human geography is a very vast subject. Human geographers combine the issues for other disciplines for their research. They are economic, social or political aspects which have a bearing on time, place and people. Human geographers rely primarily on statistical techniques, field observations and interviews. Geographers work as map librarians. Maps are valuable tools in everyday life. Maps possesses considerable historical significance and can tell us a lot about the geography of the past and the present. Large number of maps is produced by the government. Maps are also sent to the document repositories and kept in major libraries for various study purposes. Map librarians work with maps in the same way as the librarians do books. They describe, classify and catalog maps available for use by scholars and the general public. Most large public libraries and many university libraries employ map librarians. Geographers are suitable to work in these positions. Next is the economic geography related careers. Economic geographers study the human economic activities and the distribution of resources. They do carry out research on regional employment or the location of industries. Economic geographers analyze the distribution, import, export and production of various commodities and their uses. Geographers are suitable to work in development planning departments. Geographers can also work as location experts. Finding a good location is one of the most important ways a business or an industry can plan for its success. It is the job of the location expert to determine the correct locations where all types of businesses can be successful. Economic geography provides a good background for this. Since geographers know about the demographics, the statistical characteristics of populations such as age and income, transportation, availability of labor, shopping habits and how the cities are getting expanded, they become good location experts. Geographers are also suitable to work as traffic managers. Traffic managers are shippers. Select the mode of transportation, usually truck, rail or air, and arrange for all aspects of the delivery of goods. For both of these jobs, some business background in addition to economic geography can be helpful. Large companies employ key people to arrange for the shipping of their products. Geographers are particularly well equipped to evaluate the price of land or real estate. They are aware of the impact on value of zoning, available municipal services, transportation, environmental features and potential return on the investment. Regional geographers focus on the geographic factors in a particular region which may be ranging in size from a taluk or a district to the level of a state. Urban geographers study the settlements in cities and metropolitan areas. They examine how certain geographic factors such as climate affect the population density in cities. Transportation has become a major problem in ever increasing urban environments all over the world. Typically, commuters move into the middle of the cities in the morning and return back to the outskirts after work. This puts an enormous strain on the transportation systems and creates the need for careful planning. Transportation planners try to balance the use of private vehicles with the use of public transportation systems. Geographers can suggest multimodal systems of transport that utilize cars, buses, metro trains, subways and even streetcars and other services like helicopters. Geographers are involved in the health services and planning. The sanitation, health and hygiene are the major areas of concern in urban sectors. Study of rural urban settlements and their basic amenities are the part of geographic studies. Area specialist job is one more option available for geographers. Area specialists collect information from newspapers, radio broadcasting, television news and shows, magazines, government documents, aerial photos and from the reports of intelligence agents. They brief diplomats and government officials and provide data used by the speeches of VIPs. Often the information supplied by the area specialists is used to help the government to settling the policies. Geographers are also help in carrying out some international business. The success of a labor contract, for instance, may very well be based on the knowledge of other countries' culture. A geographical perspective combined with language training often help to work for some corporations in foreign countries. Tourism and travel are the two major sectors employing geographers. Geographers are knowledgeable about the unique sites of various destinations and such features as mountains, valleys and glaciers, as well as caution the potential dangers to travelers. Today, geographers use several modern tools and technologies in their work. They use GIS, remote sensing, satellite imageries and global positioning systems GPS for spatial analysis. Geographers use GIS to find the relationship and trends in geographic data of several themes. GIS allows them to present the data visually in the form of maps, reports and charts. A geographer can overlay aerial photographs or satellite imageries with GIS data and create digital maps. GIS experts use the results to advise governments, businessmen and the general public on a variety of issues such as marketing strategies, planning homes, roads and landfills or disaster responses. Surveyors and surveying technicians are very good career options for geographers. Surveyors measures and map the feature on the earth's surface. Surveyors measure the land directly. They determine the legal boundaries of a property. They also measure the topography of the land so that construction projects can be properly designed. Some surveyors measure the depth of rivers, lakes and harbors. They help to establish canal alignments, highways and shipping routes. Today, geographic surveyors use GPS enabled equipment such as total stations to measure the altitude, latitude and longitudes of all features on the earth's surface. Surveyors choose among many types of measuring equipments such as lasers and 3D laser scanners, steel tapes, GPS and theodolites which measure the angles. Even though the equipment does this work automatically, surveyors need to monitor the process and make proper field alignments. Maps are required for all kinds of activities in life. Government projects need various kinds of maps. Cartography is the science and art of making maps. Cartographers are basically geographers who specialize in collecting, compiling, designing and delivering the maps of all varieties and categories. Draftsman draws the maps using the scientific data. Gradually, the traditional drafting is being replaced by computers and graphics software, which allow maps to be created quickly, very neatly and accurately. Complex maps can also be made today with sophisticated equipment and software. Geographic information scientists are yet another option available for geographers. A geographic information system GIS is a computer hardware and software system that is used to store, display and analyze any statistical information. Using the GIS technique, population distribution, traffic movement, availability of land, area under irrigation, crop production, environmental hazards, soil types and flood zones could be analyzed. Jobs are available for those who would like to work with computers and understand the importance of information retrieval using GIS. Digital terrain models are used by defense research organizations. These are prepared by the geographers. Another important area of mapping is through remote sensing and use of satellite imageries. This involves the interpretation of aerial photos and the analysis of satellite imageries. Virtually all modern maps of large areas are based in part on remote sensing. Geography is an essential subject in all school curriculums. Geography teaching is the major starting point. It is the basic subject to be studied by every student in the world. Teaching geography is a part of any teacher. Geographers have good scope of working in schools as teachers. Geographers invariably carry out the following: gather geographic data through field observations, maps, photographs, satellite imageries and census records. Use survey, interviews, focus groups and other qualitative method in their research. Use quantitative methods such as statistical analysis in their research. Create and modify maps, graphs, diagrams or other visual representations of geographic data. Analyze the geographic distribution of physical and cultural characteristics and occurrences. Use Geographic Information System GIS technology to collect, analyze and display data. Write reports and present research findings. Assist, advise and lead others in using GIS and geographic data for decision making. Combine geographic data with the data about a particular specialty such as economics, the environment, health or politics in solving various socio-economic problems and issues. Teaching geography is very important to school children because it is here that students gain a basic understanding of the world and their place in it. Geography is a part of higher education curriculum and career oriented competitive examinations. Teaching geography in schools is a long established and recognized career option for geographers. Geography subjects are taught as a major subject in colleges and universities. More than 200 geography departments offer graduate degree programs in geography in India. Geography is one of the optional subjects in the Public Service Commission examinations, which select the best class 1 officers and civil servants of the country. Studying geography will certainly help in getting any of these jobs and careers available in several sectors of the society.